Hi there, and welcome to Stampede Fitness. My name's Isaiah. I'm the owner of Bison Osteo and also the coach here at Stampede Fitness. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a stronger, healthier version of yourself. Whether you're a seasoned lifter or a beginner, I am thrilled to welcome you on board. With Stampede Fitness, you'll have everything you need to crush your fitness goals right at your fingertips. Our user-friendly app offers customized training programs tailored to your needs, comprehensive exercise libraries, and real-time progress tracking for important metrics like strength and macros for nutritional purposes. But Stampede Fitness isn't just about hitting your goals, it's about exceeding them. Join our supportive community of like-minded individuals where you'll find motivation, education, and expert guidance every step of the way. Welcome to Stampede Fitness, where strength knows no limits. Let's unleash your full potential together.